Hi, this is Mr. Wedge, and in this video I want to show you how you can weave paper. Weaving's really cool because you can make all kinds of things with it. This basket I keep paper clips in, but if you notice it's got a pattern on it, and it's kind of like over, under, over, under. The pattern looks interesting and it makes this really strong too, so weaving's a pretty cool thing. We're going to do it with paper today. So what you're going to need is a loom, L-O-O-M, just a big piece of paper, some strips of paper, glue stick for later, and some scissors. Cut the paper, not your fingers. But here's how we start. We're going to take our loom, our big piece of paper, fold it in half the hamburger way, not the hot dog way, the hamburger way, and find the folded side. Here's the folded side. These are the edges. We're going to cut into the folded side like this. Not the edges, the folded side. Okay, so find the folded side and just cut some strips, but not all the way through. Don't cut all the way to the end. Stop. Cut, 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 cut. Stop. Cut, 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 cut. Stop. Cut, 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 stop. Cut, 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 stop. And one more. And if you didn't cut all the way to the end and you cut through the folded side, you should have this. This is your loom. We're going to weave our paper through this. So I picked red, just so it stand out against the blue. It doesn't matter which way you start, but here's the pattern. Over, under, over, under, over, under. So if I start over, the next one's going to be under. See, I went over this one, so I'm going under this one. So this one's going to be over. So I'll go over the next one, under this one, over that one. You guessed it, under this one, and over the last one. And I should be all set. So see how it's a pattern? Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. And then I can slide it down and make room for more strips. So if I started over on this one, the next one's going to be under. It's going to be the opposite, and that's what locks the weaving together and makes it really strong. So I started over, so the next one's going to be under. So I'm going to go under and then over. Be careful not to skip any. You might go under 2 or over 2, and then you messed it up and you got to redo that one. So just watch out. So under, over, under, and then you can slide it down, and if you look, it's almost like a checkerboard pattern and the corners touch. So that's pretty cool. And if this was over, this is under, the next one's going to be over. So this will start over, it'll go under, over, under, over, under, over. And slide it down. And just keep going until you fill it up. And when you filled it up and a teacher checked it, you showed it to a teacher, you can get a glue stick and we can glue the loose ends down. Make sure you get both sides. But that's it. That's how you do paper weaving. Over, under, over, under. Every time you do a strip, make sure you do the opposite. Paper weaving. Ooh.